Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix WWE 2K22 unable to communicate with server at this time issue which is happening right now for many of the users, and how you can fix this up. And if you're for the first time to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. So let's move to the workarounds. So the first one is all about you just have to go over here to the servers, because I'll be giving link in the description where you can understand whether you are going through any kind of issues with the servers or if you're having any kind of trouble, which will give you the complete details. And from here you can understand whether you're having any kind of server issue. If you're having any kind of server issue, if they're updated in their official Twitter, then that is the reason why you are having this issue. So this is what you have to do as the first one. Even after trying this, we're not having the issue. The next is all about you have to reboot your game and try to play once again, and you have to see whether you are able to fix the issue up or not, because sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue both for the game as well as a step 3, which I would like to make you notice, is you have to do a simple restart. So to do this, you just have to go over here and you just have to click over here, go for restart, and you have to restart and see whether you are able to fix the issue up or not, and try to launch the game. And most probably after trying out with a simple restart both on the games as well as on the PC or laptop, this may help you guys out to fix the issue up. Even after trying this, if it's not working, we have few more workarounds you have to try out, and the fourth one is all about you have to make sure that you're having a good internet connection. As you can see, I'm connected to the Wi-Fi and it is all good, and even if I go to the internet, even I can go over here, I can make sure it is all good. As you can see, it's been getting loading up and all the instructions are working good, and I can see here. So this is what you have to make sure. You should make sure that you're having a good internet connection, or the internet connection is not being lost in between. So if it's happening across the time, then you'll be having the trouble. The last and the least one, before getting to this, the one more step which I would like to consider as a fifth one is all about you have to power cycle your router. This one is a very simplest method which you can try out. This is an easy and handy process. You just have to power cycle your router and you have to see, and most probably the issue has to be fixed. And even after trying this, all the things, and you're still having the issue, the next is all about you have to contact the WWE 2K22 official support, and you have to ask them if you're having any kind of trouble. And most probably even after trying this, the issue has to be fixed. So these are the workarounds that you have to try out when you're having unable to communicate with server at this time error on WWE 2K22. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.